guys are at Claypole crossing in Lincolnshire, I think, with Spark, Joe and Shane.
Your lamp's got a bit.
Let's see if I can
It's losing colour as well.
Right, the time is 15:09. I can touch that by jumping.
On Saturday, the 15th of March 2016, this is for our 5th slightly delayed 15:09, 1 hour for 34 Virgin train service from Leeds to King's Cross, expected past 15:11. Lamps got a bit pink.
Okay.
Not as red as it was
They used to do that. When they stopped doing Spike Ridge, hi guys, this is Spike Ridge.
We are at a level crossing in Worcestershire, 30 level crossing in East Worcestershire. I think it's no carousel. I remember your high-pitched voice. Hi, this is Spike Ridge, and here we are at Person Level Crossing in East Worcestershire. Oh, my voice was dreadful.
I remember your voice.
Hi there guys, Joe here.
Oh yeah,
I'm here.
Hi guys, here we are at Baffley Level Crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe. That was awful.
Oh,
I can't do it anymore.
hey, here she
Here
is.
she is, Shane. What?
It's 2219.
82 to 90 to 91 cross and
Needs to be barrier anyway.